The universe, the planet, nature, the coast that we live on, that's where I draw my inspiration and my love. And you know, just being able to wake up in the morning and do something that I love to contribute to making the world a better place. Well, I see my art sort of like my journal, you know, writing down like the feelings and thoughts I have for each day. It's grasping onto the things that are so intangible and making them tangible, and capturing a moment in time, making it timeless. Yeah, I tell stories, and I hope that, you know, it's just this constant evolution and journey and in my own self-mastery and mastery of my technique. You know, I've always painted water, and since having kids, the focus on water has become more and more prevalent, and that it all works together. You know, it's all very synchronous. The journey of being an artist and listening to your inner voice and your subconscious. It's about learning and, you know, finding a moment and realizing, hey, this is what is important to me and has value and will last. And so it's not about actually saying, once upon a time there was this. It's just, hey, look at this amazing, beautiful moment, and stopping and, you know, getting lost in the reverie. Art basically comes down to you're doing it for yourself, and if you're doing it for somebody else, then it's not real, and it's not like it's not your inner voice that's speaking. So I try and just, you know, think about, okay, what speaks to me the strongest? And it's not about creating work to please other people, because that's not what I feel is like a true artist. You're just satisfying your own journey, your own inner voice and needs, and it's a cathartic experience. You know, it feels good, and it has to be intense and passionate and joyful, and take all of your focus and energy for the work to actually work out and be a success. An artful life is about, you know, creativity happening in anything, like in washing the floor or making a cake. And, you know, it is in every moment. It's not about like sitting down and getting all your paints ready or your photos, your camera ready or your instruments ready. It just can happen with anything you do, with how you walk. So it's a frame of mind, you know, it's an awareness. It's about doing things differently every day, and knowing that, you know, we're all creative. Like, it's not just the artists that are creative. Every life on this planet is a creative being at every moment, you know, from birth and till death. You know, that's all a creative act. I paint because I cannot articulate my vision with language, right? So it's so ironic that I'm sitting here trying to explain it to you. So, you know, that would sum it up, you know. I paint for a reason, for that reason. My name is Amelia Alcock White, and I'm an artist.